Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Wave accounting for freelance income tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Wave accounting website. Create a free account if you don't have one already. Log into your Wave account using your credentials. From the dashboard, locate the Income tab on the left side. Click on Income to access the Income Management section. Next, click on that Add Income button. In the drop-down, select Freelance work to categorize your income properly. Fill in the necessary information for your freelance project. Input the amount you earned in the Amount field. Specify the date when you received the payment. Add a brief description for clarity regarding the services provided. If needed, upload any relevant documents or invoices related to the income. Check the box for recurring income if this will be a regular payment. Once all information is filled out, click Save to record the income entry. Return to the dashboard to view your updated income summary. You can also categorize any other freelance projects in the same manner. To keep everything organized, consider setting up categories for each type of freelance work. Regularly update your income entries to maintain accurate records. Utilize the reporting features within Wave to track your freelance earnings over time. Stay consistent in updating your account for effective financial management. This process will help you manage your freelance income with ease and efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.